Hey yo, how you doing, people? Welcome back. Axtuo back at me. I have this 2019 Nissan Altima, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. Alright. Before I jump into that action, don't forget to do your thing. Subscribe to the channel, smash that button, like, share, and comment. Alright. Anything you want to say about this car? How you like it? Is it reliable? Anything you have in mind about this car, put it in the comment box. All right? Let me know how you feel about it. All right? It's very important. All right? Other than that, I want to give shout outs to the whole planet. You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to my fans, subscribers, community channel, family members, the neighborhood. Haters, what's really good, haters, I love you too. Pause. And everybody from the gang, the clan, know what I'm saying, Ukraine, Russia, Japan, UK, Spain, Italy. I'm not even rapping, bro. Peru, Brazil, Colombia, Argentina, Chile, Venezuela, Ecuador, the States, Mexico, Canada, Greenland, all that. All right. So more or less, I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's do this battery swap. All right. And whatever you want to say about this battery change, put it in the comment box. All right. Hey, the haters, like the comments. There's a thin line between being corny and hate and being funny and joking around. Alright, so be careful with that though, because I don't want to erase I don't want to delete your comment, know what I'm saying? So watch out with that. Alright, it's all good. I'm not sensitive sensitive at all. So know what I'm saying? Just keep in mind, like, what would you say? What would you think? Especially, what would you think is someone like someone say, yo, blah, 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 blah. Know what I'm saying? I see what you're trying to do though, but I'm not gonna fall into that. Know what I'm saying? It's a small world. Know what I'm saying? So keep it simple, keep it clean, and let's get to this battery swap. Replace the battery in 2019 Nissan Altima. All right? Shout out to everybody. All right? Hey, if you want to support the channel, also right below this video, there's heart. It says stance. Click on that if you want to support the channel. And I'm saying, support the channel, support my work, support the community. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, now I'm saying. So let's go. Let's get it. Alright, that's way better. Alright. So there's like a 10mm socket on top for the terminals. Then there's like a bulb that holds the battery, which is right here. All right, I'm gonna peel this. Okay, like that. Pop, push this thing. Hopefully I got the right tools for this. 10mm. Know what I'm saying? I think I got it. 10mm here. All right, 10mm here. All right. Now we just pry this like this. The same with this. Okay. I don't know what they did with the handle in this one. Now I can remove this. Put that on the side. Pull this up. All right. Put on the side right there. Now down here, if you see, there's a bolt. I wanna say that's like maybe 13 Let's see, maybe 12. 12 or 13. Which one you think it is? Put in the comment box. For those that have said 12, well, wrong choice. It's a 13. Alright. I'm gonna use a long extension, 3/8, because my gun is 3/8. This is how it looks like. Alright. It's gonna go like this. Alright. Now we'll remove the battery. I have these clamps. Put it like this. And I'm gonna put this interstate. I'll show you in a second. This is a 47H5. That's a group size. Okay. You see it. I'll show it to you in a second. Now let me put it there. Careful with your back, your lower back. All right. It's up to you if you want to put this guy back. You don't need to though, but it's okay though. You can put it back. So what I'm gonna put now is a secure. All right. I'm gonna put it down there, so the cover doesn't bother me. It's not on my way. Okay. It's a little bit tight down here, but we can make it. We can make it happen. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what I can do here. Let's see what am I doing here. Let's see. Seems like he doesn't want to go in. But it has to go in. All right. Now I'm gonna put the cover back. Flat that down. Put the cover back. Okay, no biggie. This thing has a Velcro here, so it attach there. You heard that? As a Velcro. First, we're gonna do the positive, then negative. All right, negative terminal. Okay, put it right there. Now, since I don't have a deep socket, deep 10 socket, deep 10mm socket, I'm gonna use the extension with the 10mm. Tied it right there, tied it right here. That should be it. Alright. Make sure it's not shaking, it's all secure. Everything's Gucci. Put the cover back, like that, pop. Alright. Now we're gonna start the car. And hopefully God is on my side. No, I'm just kidding. Of course it's gonna start. If it doesn't start, then my name wouldn't be Axtuo, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go inside the car. Alright, so I'm inside the car now. In the car now, okay. What I'm gonna do is start the car. Where's the start button? Step on the brake. Press the start button. And here we go. Boom. You hear that? Room. Okay. Alright. We're Gucci. Everything good. Everything good. Everything good. Alright. So that's pretty much it. Okay. And let me give you another tip. Okay. Maybe you don't know, but let me show it to you. Alright. The car is running right now. I'm gonna shut it down. You don't need to keep it running. I'm just gonna shut it down. Alright. Now, if you come this way, let me peel off this Velcro. Okay. If you come this way, you see these days right here. Those are the years. Mark II for 2003, right? 2023, right? All right, peel that off. Okay. So you know it's 23. Okay. And the month. Which is January. Okay. So mark it there. Okay. So it's 2023 January. All right. Also, if you don't mark it, the battery has a date, like a sticker somewhere. It tells you the date when they build the battery. Okay. So you have like up to 5 years, 3 years. Most of them last for 3 years, you know, depending on the cold, the weather, and all that. All right. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you wanna like this video, you know what how to do it. Like the video, share the video, the feedback, put it in the comment box. You know, let me know if you have a problem with this 2019 Nissan Altima or any other car. Put it in the comment box. All right, let me know. Other than that, shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the community, my subscribers, my viewers. By the way, what you're waiting for, subscribe now, get your membership. If you want to contribute to the channel, right below this video, there's a heart. It says thanks. You know, click on that and go through it and you see what's up. All right? That's how you show your love for the channel. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna clock out. I'm Audi. You know where to find me. Alright, Axtuo, Burum. Holla at your boy. See ya.